accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Dan Tomaso.
If you're just waking up in the last 2 hours, there is no snow left from our quick little brush of winter weather overnight. And it really took about 2 hours worth of time. That was it for the snow to come through. Now we're back to blue sky, and guess what? More high pressure, more mild weather moving in. Has been the winter of no snow so far. We are falling below our normal pace of how much snowfall we should get. Last year was just over a foot of snow. This year, we're only about 2 to 3 inches across the region. It's been remarkable, but here we go again. It almost looks like spring with how bright it is in Lancaster from the Holiday Inn there. Temperatures in Lancaster itself, 39 degrees. For those of us in Carlisle and York, 41, 37 in Lebanon, and still cool over the ridges and valleys. But we are done with the clouds. We are done with any precipitation. Radar is quiet, and zooming out, again, that storm, you could barely tell anything happened. It is long gone, off to the east, and so now things are much quieter as the day goes on. So our hourly forecast, the warmest part of the day will be in the next several hours through about 4 or 5 o'clock. We expect highs around the low 40s. Now keep in mind, the wind does pick up a little, so we're talking about a wind chill bringing us back down into the middle and upper 30s at times today, but it's not overly windy as there goes the area of low pressure. High pressure moving in. So anytime we have this big change in pressure, that's where the wind comes from. Breezy conditions today, but tomorrow, calmer and still a little bit on the bright side to begin the day. Just as the day wears on, we expect more clouds. There's another system coming in for the middle part of this week, but you may have guessed it. It just means more rain here across central PA. Here's our forecast through this afternoon. I mentioned the low 40s, but then later tonight with the clear skies, we should drop to about freezing and below. So maybe about 30 to 33 degrees. That's about all tonight. So not that cold leading into Tuesday. There's the additional clouds, a little bit of moisture, but no rain. Temperatures low to mid 40s during the day Tuesday and Wednesday. But let's zoom ahead and show you what some of our longer term outlooks show in terms of rain for Thursday and Friday. This could be another soaking rain event. This is Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Notice where the snow is staying on the northwest side of the storm. Anytime the low tracks to our west, this is what we end up with. A lot of rain. It will move out in time for the weekend, but some of the clouds will remain for Saturday. So in general, there's not a whole lot going on. Yes, we're tracking that rain for Thursday into Friday, but once that moves out, we're cooler and breezy for the weekend. Seasonable James for Saturday and Sunday, but it's not often in the middle of January we could still talk about readings near 50 degrees and rain rather than snow.
I was going to say the same thing, Dan. I mean, 50 in January.
It's pretty agreeable. You can't complain.
No, I will not.
Unless you want to ski. That makes it a little bit tough.
I know. I'm hearing a lot from them.
I've heard from one person in particular. I think I know who he is.
I think so. All right, Dan, thank you very much. We'll be right